Hey guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing Panorama Route with my client while we go on our way back to Johannesburg. And when we got to Lisbon Waterfalls, I suggested that we go hiking so that we can get closer to the waterfalls. Now let me tell you, I love waterfalls, and the Panorama Route has so many waterfalls. But one of my favorite waterfalls in the region, it definitely has to be the Lisbon Waterfalls. Lisbon Waterfalls are so dramatic and really beautiful, and they are the longest waterfalls in the region. So sometimes we just watch them from the top, and then sometimes if clients are comfortable, we go hiking all the way down and get closer to the waterfalls. Now let me tell you, this is a bit of a challenge. This hiking is quite challenging. If usually my clients are people that have got knee problem or back problems or problems with their legs, I don't suggest that we go down. We just watch them from the top. But if you're quite healthy and very fit, why not? Let's go, let's do it. But yeah, the hiking to get closer to the waterfalls is quite challenging, and to come all the way back up, it's also quite a huge challenge. But you can see these waterfalls, I mean, they are so dramatic, they are so beautiful. So yeah, it's always worth it. And right now it is a dry season, there is not much water. In summer there is more water, but in dry season there's not as much water as it usually be in summer. But still, the Lisbon waterfalls, they just never run out of water. Unlike the other waterfalls, the water really gets very small. In the dry season it gets really little, but the Lisbon falls, no, there is just so much water. So now, yeah, finally we are now getting closer to the waterfall, and as I said, it's quite a challenge, but definitely the view at the end of the hiking is beautiful. And also going all the way back up to get back to our car, it's quite a challenging height. So if you've got health issues, I don't suggest that you do this. But if you are very fit, why not? It's quite a good exercise. Look at that waterfall.
Trust.
Now that we are closer to the look at that. Look at that beautiful waterfall. is just a beautiful view down here. So beautiful, so romantic too if you're a couple. We took a lot of beautiful pictures here. So yeah, you guys, that was it for today's video. Going hiking at the Lisbon Waterfalls. Look at that. How gorgeous, how gorgeous. I just love it. I love waterfalls. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.